Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn passive voice. First of all, we will learn the passive voices of modal verbs and the other structures. After that, we will talk about the passive voice of tenses, 12 tenses or 8 tenses. So let's start it. First of all, we will learn about let me go. We learned a structure in a video about let me go. When you want to go somewhere, so you say to the other person that let me go. And in the same way, when you are working busy in an activity, somebody wants you to do another activity, but you do not want to quit it, you do not want to stop it, and you say, let me do this, let me complete my work, let me come back, let me read this book or anything. So it's not a normal sentence. But if you want to speak the same thing in passive voice, for example, the meal is getting ready, somebody is cooking the meal and you are waiting for the meal, but after a few minutes the meal will be ready, will be served, and somebody else, a friend of yours or anybody talks to you about the other activity, so you can say, let the meal be cooked, let the meal be cooked. So you did not mention here that who is cooking, you said that let the meal be cooked. For making passive voice in let me go or let something be done, you say be and third form of verb. You put be at the end and then third form of verb. For example, let the meal be cooked. Let the message be sent means somebody will send a message and I am waiting for the message. After that we will decide what to do in future. So you can say that let the message be sent. Or if you want to go to the job place and it's closed, you are standing outside and waiting, then you can say let the academy be opened, let the office be opened. It means somebody will come and open the academy, open the office, and you are waiting here, so you can say let the office be opened. Alright, in the same way you can make lots of examples. Let something be done, let the work be finished means somebody is working or we are working, anybody is working and you are just waiting for the work to be completed, so you can say let the work be completed means we will complete the work, or somebody who is doing the work, he will complete the work, after that we will start the other activity. So in this way you can say let something be done. So keep this formula in your mind that we put be and then third form of verb to speak the passive voice with let. Let me do something, and passive voice let something be done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.